Alright guys, it's John and John back with Chicken Ship Farms. Say hi, John.
Hi.
Alright, this is September's box of 2021. We're really apologizing for getting this video out late, but John, say hi, John.
Hi again.
Lost one of the baits, and we were going to replace it before we did this video, but to get the bait that he lost shipped back to us from Carl's was actually close to the price of this box, so we didn't do that. But we will put a shot of the bait that was lost in the video. We'll cut it in so you guys can see it. But let's go ahead and look in the September box and see what we got. Go ahead, John. Well, we've got our what's inside. This will give you a breakdown of everything that comes in the box, as well as the price list. And these prices are very close, guys. So when you look at these, there's only going to be maybe a $1, $2 difference between what's on here and what you can find these for. All right, so what we got in this month's box?
We got this thing.
What is that? Crypto? Those worms?
I guess so. Like wormish thingies.
Let's take a look here. Yes. Yep, plastic worm. All right, crypto. All right, what else we got in there?
We'll save the hard base for last. We got a, like, I guess that's kind of close to like the
Z. Was that Z-Man? Big TRD. Molten Claw. 10 times tough. Take a look at this. That's kind of looks a lot like a Senko.
like salmon colors.
Yeah. Does that have a salmon finish to it? All right. What else we got in there?
We got
So far, plastic baits.
this is close. This is like a weird looking bait.
Hoax fish. That also looks like a Senko. A little thicker than a Senko with a different tail. Hoax fish. Old Dominion series. What colors are these?
There's like green.
Like a dark green pumpkin. All right. So far three plastics, worms. Zero gravity jig.
Well,
The 4/0 hook. Okay.
not too bad, not too bad. We got hooks, which we have two, like we don't normally have.
Just two?
Yep.
Yep. Just two. I don't even... What'd they give us we can use these little hooks for?
I don't know.
I don't see anything in there. It's almost like it looks like a drop shot hook. Finesse hook. All right, what else is in there?
We have I guess it's like a,
Lipless crank
yeah.
with
Shad color.
real vibration. Okay, looks like it's got a rattle in it, like a rattle trap. Okay.
Then we got, last but not least, that's a top water. Wait, no. Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like kind of like a popper, I think.
How long is that?
Got a shag color to it.
4 inches?
Yeah, 4-inch bait. From Spot On. All right, anything else in there? Just the one you lost?
Well, you don't even have to put it in.
Oh yeah, there you go. And this is what he lost. The headhunter. But like I said, I wanted to replace this. It was 4-inch bait. But it was going to be $18.21 by the time they shipped it to us. So that's almost half the price of the box. So we didn't do that.
And then we have an ordinary sticker.
That's actually a pretty cool sticker. So we got our sticker
And then we have the book.
And the book. These are really cool. Like I said, it'll tell you different ways to rig your baits, different places to fish. Sometimes they even got a recipe for some food in here. Here they are with the new tackle insurance. I can't really tell you much about it because we've never, we haven't looked into it. It's something they just started doing recently, and I'm not sure how great a deal it is yet. But yeah, these books are really nice. But there you have it, guys. We got the bait that was lost. Then we've got a couple top water baits, lipless crays. We got a set of finesse hooks, but I didn't see any baits that we could use those with. We got a jig. And we got 3 packs of what look like to be Senkos. Or Senko style. And then the rubber worm. Alright. That'll wrap up our video for September. Like I said, we apologize for getting this one out late to you guys. We've got another box coming for October now. Should be here this week, and we'll try to get a video on that so you can see what October's box has. We appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot.